Need to replace coupler sleeve on 623T Grasshopper mower.
Have you replaced parts of your Grasshopper lawn mower before? If so, how long ago?
2 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Grasshopper lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
Need to move engine forward to put on sleece coupler.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Are 4 bolts holding engine threaded into engine?
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. You will notice an automated offer for a phone call. Please keep in mind that this offer is only optional and is not always needed. If you prefer to chat, rather than talk on the phone, please disregard this phone call offer. Thanks. Are you only needing to know if your bolts are threaded into your engine?
It's a Grasshopper 623T 23 horsepower Kohler horizontal shaft.
Thanks for your response. I can help you figure this out. Can you get the model and spec numbers off your engine for me?
It's a Grasshopper 623T 23 horsepower Kohler horizontal shaft CH682 Kohler Command 2-cylinder.
Thanks for this information. I will check for you. Your Kohler Command engine is mounted using 4 bolts and 4 nuts. Is there a buildup of dirt and debris at the base of your engine?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.